My name is Colin. I came to India. I knew about NAS control panel through video on YouTube. It's a very trustable company because first of all, they are very transparent. So the first initial payments, they are created by India, so you can see what is happening on the website. Then one of the things that I really enjoyed was the communication between NAS control panel and me as a client. They communicated very well. They told me to come and see and visit to see the machine. I'm coming to get the 15 BPM water machine, very reliable, made of stainless steel, very high quality. And I recommend anyone from the whole world to come to India and get.
Where are you from, sir?
I am from Kenya, but right now in Tanzania. If you want to come, the water machine that I'm setting up is in Tanzania. So most welcome to anyone who's coming here. He has a very reliable business line. Thanks.